Hello friends, today I am going to display you how to catch the mouse. So I have created a kind of a trap. It's like a trap, a circular trap. On one side you can see there are 3 sticky pads, and on other side we have 6 mouse trap. I also displayed a kind of a toy mouse here, and in the center I have put some Oreos and some other kind of a food like a goldfish, which has a long strong fragrance, and mouse get attracted to those. So what will happen eventually is that mouse can enter this one. So once he is in, then he will be surely be trapped here. And one important thing is that you will see that the baits are all on the outside. So mouse when try to comes in, he will be attracted by the bait. If he eats it here, it will get trapped. If not, if he moves in, he will get stuck here, or if he moves out, he will get trapped here. So I have created one kind of a circular trap. So I'm going to share in the comments that whether I was able to catch the mouse using this circular trap. Do share in your comment as well if this approach works for you, and if you have any other suggestions. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.